Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is what should you be looking for when you even get your first rent-to-rent deal. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. in office. So let's go. Welcome back. So today what we're going to discuss is what should you be looking for when it comes to your rent-to-rent deal. And first thing I'm going to speak about is location. Make sure you look at the location of the property so you know exactly what you should be looking for, because the thing is, with any property that you get, location is super important. And make sure within that location it's next to a city centre, and also that there is a demand within that area of how many people want rooms. So I always search rooms wanted, so I know exactly how many people are looking for a room within this specific area. The second thing that you should be looking for is, I believe you should be looking for making sure there's a lot of professional workers within that area. Just because when it's professional workers, sometimes it's much more easier when it comes to the funding side of things. So they're faster to just, pay and then just get to moving. Because at the end of the day, when it comes to property in itself, it's a thing where you want to fill out this one property and then go to the next one. It's a consistent thing. You want to keep on going rather than having to wait for someone to get the funds, and it might take a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks even, So yeah, that's another thing what you should be looking for. And another thing what you should be looking for is look at the area and look at your competition. Look at your competition and see what they're listing and see the potential of the property. Look at the demand, look at the pricing of that specific property as well, because when it comes to pricing, it's super important, because you want to know how much money you will be making within this specific property, because figures are super important when it comes to property, because you need to know, okay, if I need to pay for maybe your council tax and your water, how much is it on my end? What do I get on my end? Because the whole point is for us to be happy with each other. So that's why in my mastermind, again, I teach you how to look at everything and how to do a thing where you know exactly how much the money is, how much could you let out the room, and calculate that, how many rooms are there. Then look at your competition, see their listings, see how much they're charging, and then you'll see a consistent pattern in that, so then you know exactly what you are doing. And guys, another thing, what I want to say is, if we're just, chilling and you want to get into property, but you don't know where to start, I am here. First of all, add me on Instagram, it's Oniru. I have different things available. I have a 3-day crash course, that's £397, where it's 3 days with me live, where we just get into this game, and then literally next day you're ready to go and get it, because I know time is money. And also I have my 4 weeks mastermind, and with my 4 weeks mastermind, that is £197.99 or £199.99. And with that, it's basically a 4-week mastermind live with me once again. And in saying that, it's 4 weeks. So if you're a person where you want to do on a weekly basis for 4 weeks, that's fine. And that's why I give you that option as well. But I know some people want to work faster, which is why I give the opportunity of the crash course. And finally, I also have my pre-recorded version, where everything is just pre-recorded, and it's £119.99 plus VAT. And with that, essentially everything's pre-recorded. You get the documentation, everything together. You're all in a private group chat which has over 100 plus members, counting right now, 100 plus members. In doing that, you're with a community of people on the same journey as you, because I believe community is everything. And when there is a community, it just makes things better. You celebrate together, you get updates together, it's just a beautiful thing. I always push that as well, because I know when I started, I would have loved to have something like this, because then I know that, wow, there's people in here with me. They're gonna keep me going. They're gonna keep me pushing, rather than me basically doing it by myself. But yeah, literally, guys. And guys, I want you as well to comment down below and tell me more about what you want me to be speaking about, because I love to document so many things on YouTube, just because I want to show you guys, number one, this is real, this is not lie, this is no facade, this is real, and I show you exactly what to do. And number two, I just want you guys to do it. I want you guys to do it. I want you guys to get that financial freedom that you deserve. It's such a beautiful thing when you're able to, you know, make money in your own business rather than having to work for somebody else and getting stressed on their side. I would rather be stressed for my own business rather me being stressed on someone else's business that I'm building their dreams, you know? So yeah, so literally, like, in saying that, I just want you to believe in yourself and know that you can do it. You could do anything you put your mind to, and don't listen to nobody who tells you you can't, because you can. And when there's obstacles, always know within these obstacles there's also a way around it. Yeah, never let an obstacle stop you from anything, because you could do anything you put your mind to. Alright, awesome. And finally guys, also what I want to say is that I am here. My Instagram is I'm a DM away. Like, my Instagram is Oniru, and I'm a DM away, and I always connect with all of my students, even people that aren't my students, if they want to sign up, or, you know, just so that you guys know that I'm literally always here, and you never have to be in a situation where you feel like, oh my gosh, what if this happens, you know, who can I come to? You can always come to me. And also, even in my mastermind, towards the end, I do put forward my academy, as I have academy in place as well. But guys, once again, this was just a short video, just to wrap things up and say, if you want to get into property, get into it now. Don't let no one tell you that you can't do it. You can do it. And once again, thank you so much for watching today. Make sure before you leave, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 PM when I post. And make sure you leave your comments down below. Tell me what you thought of this video. And guys, honestly, I love this, and I'd love to help you guys along your journey. And finally, I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.